Leaders are leaders and leaders are leaders. How many of you actually read? Yeah, please, raise your hands. Right. When I was sitting in your place, I was also not a leader, so I didn't raise my hand. So nobody has to feel bad about it. I started reading in 2006, but trust me, when I said when we started, learn by yourself in the beginning. So learning by yourself doesn't mean that you don't take any help. Okay? I always encourage everybody to read. I always encourage everybody to be in touch with their teachers, their professors, their mentors. And again, just to share what reading gave to me in one instance. So I was traveling with this customer in Gujarat, in Dahej. So Dahej is an industrial belt in Gujarat where there were a lot of chemical plants. And I took the morning Shatabdi train, so it was about a 4-hour journey. And I said, okay, I have 4 hours, so let me read something. And it just so happened that I was carrying a design calculation book that day, reading about how liquid agitators are designed. So I'm sure you have a course called PEDD 1 and 2, right? Yes. So that's, in that you would come to how the equipment are designed. And in that 4 hours, I read a lot about the book, and I ended up being at a customer's place. It was a negotiation for an order. We lost that order. I didn't get that order, and then it was still some time before I would probably get back to it. So I was invited to look at one of their other agitators in which they were facing a problem. And when I went there, somebody from the field to diagnose what the problem is. And what I actually read that morning was where the solution came from. Okay, it happens to us when we go for the exam. We just read it and we see it as a question paper and we feel, yeah, wow, I just read it this morning. So it was pretty much the same feeling. Okay. So yeah, keep reading. You never know, what could be in there. Lessons for life. I still read, and reading actually got me to writing. So I read and write. So I would encourage all of you to keep reading.